Hello. Hello everyone. Hello Steviko. Hello Alan. Hello Lencius. I think I missed a few. Alan. Korlek. Ready Player Poet. And Poyo and Pipa Poopy. Thank you all for being here, guys. That's actually a relief. I was worried nobody would come. CSP1. Oh, that's Cyprien. Staren. I hope you guys are doing great. I can see the chat properly, so that's cool. I'm still... It is a strange feeling, guys. The game is out in 1 hour. The game releases in 1 hour. I just published the last change. And let me turn down a little the alert sound and stuff. It's been a while since the last stream. I think it's been like 3 or 4 months. I don't remember. I kind of gave up on the streams, so I'm not used to it again. Used to it like before. Just going to refresh audio out of sync for me. Oh, maybe that's my camera that is out of sync actually. Let me try something. As I said, it's been a while. I think it's better now. Sun's gone? Oh, okay. Yeah. The sun doesn't have sound on the other view. That's because that's my camera scene stuff. Cool. Thanks for letting me know. By the way, guys, if the music is too loud, let me know. If the microphone is too loud, let me know. This is like basically my old setup for streaming. So I'm not sure if it's working great. Hello. Shuriken. Tolka is here. Tolka Kiska. The guy who actually beat the game before the launch. This is the guy who got the 99 achievement before the launch, played for 40 hours. That's crazy. So, how many wishlists did you end up getting? So yeah, guys, don't hesitate to ask questions. I have like a few things I want to talk about. But I don't really know. I'm not sure it's gonna last for until the release in 1 hour. I'm not sure. So if you guys have questions, go ahead. I would be happy to talk. Honestly, this is just a moment to chill with you guys. Like, this is just the goal here. I just want to chill and relax before the actual release because it's been stressful days. And I can see there's a lot of people. Actually, I think that's my biggest stream so far. We're like 40% right now. Okay, cool. So wishlist. The last number was. Let me double check. The last number was 34,200 wishlist, but that's like 2 days ago. Steam didn't refresh the number yet for yesterday, so I don't know how much I had yesterday, and I don't know how many I have currently. Like, I'm pretty sure it's over 35,000 because I got 10,000 visits on the page yesterday, which is like the best I ever had. So I think it's going to be at least 1k wishlist thanks to the upcoming release. Hello, Olivier. Thanks for coming. Thanks for the launch, Olivier. Who is my lawyer. There's not a word for this in English. It's a jurist who helped me with the contracts and stuff. He helped me sign the publisher. Thank you, Olivier. Steliko, who is ready to leave the first review in Steam. Thank you, mate. I'm waiting for that review. Make sure you have 2 hours of playtime. My publisher told me like you need 2 hours of playtime. Well, at least it's something that you need to ask, maybe because you can't refund after 2 hours, so maybe the review is worth more. I don't know. How is the final scope of the game versus the scope you had a year ago? Okay, let me check the other things and then I'll answer that. Dragon Baby, happy release day. Thank you, Dragon Baby. So Dragon Baby are the guys who made the translation of the final game. Excited for the full release. I am too. Good luck for the release. Thanks, Cubus. Nice trailer. Yeah, this is the new trailer you see in the back without the sound. But you'll see that when Claire, my producer at Astra, when she changed the... She's going to update the trailer on Steam. I wonder if you hit 35. Yeah, I guess I know tonight. But I'm pretty sure I hit 35. Congrats on Dawnfolk launch. Thank you, Dragatar. Been playing your game for the last few days of the last story unopened only yet. Absolutely love it. Thank you, Alissa. I'm glad you like it. La release sera parfaite. Compte sur moi. So that's French. The release is going to be perfect. Count me in. Thank you, mate. And Mr. Elliptic, congrats, man. That's huge. Thanks, mate. Really happy to have you here. Thanks for coming. Okay, so let me come back to the question of Lencius. Actually, I don't remember what it was. So I'm going to have to... Because my chat is like very small on my phone. So, I can't like scroll up. So Lencius is on Twitch, I think. I'm just gonna check back your question. Because we already have another question below. Have you made the music and all the art too, or did someone help? I did everything. The music you're listening to right now is the music from the game. I did everything. I did buy 5 sprites for the game. And I did got the help of 2 friends who helped me just improve the sprites. Like Camille Unknown like a year ago, who just like took a day to just help me improve the sprites. And also Solro, who really helped like just giving me advice. Okay. Let me try to find the question you asked me before that. I think it was about the scope of the game. Yeah, okay, I remember. It was about the scope of the game. Yeah, Lencius, you can check out Dragon Baby. They did an awesome work. It was flawless, like really easy to work with them. Basically, almost no issue, so you can go ahead. Hello, Ezenovna, sorry. Anna. Oh, thank you. You're one of the translators. Okay. Yeah, I did not talk to the translator myself. I just talked to some of their project managers. So cool to see you here. Woom just raided the channel with 32 viewers. Thank you, mate. What the fuck? Like, what's happening? Because usually my stream, we have 10 people in there. And I stopped 4 months ago, and now we have all of these people. I'm releasing my game Dawnfolk. There is the trailer in the back, so you guys can watch it and try to understand the game. I'm trying to reply to the questions. Oh, thanks, Mr. Elliptic, for typing down the question again. Find the scope of the game versus the scope you had a year ago. It is basically what I wanted. Yeah. And Astra can attest, my publisher can attest of that, because when we signed the contract, I had like, the minimum stuff I wanted into the game. And what I could add if I had time. Actually, yeah, and everything that was in the, if I have time, I'll do that. I've done it. So basically everything that was in the scope is done. Which would not have been possible without the publisher, basically, because they paid me to finish the game. And yeah, that's the only reason I could make all of this. So the scope is exactly what I had in mind. However, if you asked the scope of the game 2 years ago, completely different. The game was way smaller in scope 2 years ago, but things change. Hello, Todzilart. Hello, Room. Thanks again for the raid, Room. And yeah, thanks. I'm glad I finished the game. We love a bot trailer. Oh, Sib. I think that's Claire. So Claire is the producer. One of the producer, the producer chief. I don't know the exact title. And she has a associate producer, Jess. So Claire is gonna be she's gonna be the one to press the release button. So I need to make sure I keep an eye on Slack in case she get in touch. I think you can just tell us in the chat directly when the game is ready, and we'll go. You know, since you're there. So Claire, yeah, is here. By the way, I think I'm gonna do thanks later too. Just want to thank Claire, who had like. Yeah, I just want to thank Claire. She did. She was basically my main point of contact at Astra, so she helped a ton. She had to deal with issues, lots of issues, but she's always coming back and doing the work. So, yeah, big thanks for this. Trying to get back. Hey, Andrew. Too many messages. I'm really not used to this. I should have a bigger screen for this. Play the demo, really fun. Thank you, JC. Will there be any updates except bug fix? Bug fix? What do you mean? There's not going to be any bug in my game. Yes, I'm hoping for one update. That is your new title, Producer Chief. I think it sounds good. We love Dawnfolk. Time for me to take a break. I usually don't stream that late, but I wanted to raid. Have fun with that release on stream. Yeah, thanks again for raiding, and have a good night. The demo was really good. Looking forward to buying. Awesome. Thank you. Don't see your name because it's written in dark blue. For me, it's like unreadable. But thank you. Release day. Yeah, Adria, you're here. What bugs? Only features. Bug? What? So hyped. We'll buy the game for my partner as soon as you release it. Thank you, Charlie. Dawnfolk has no bug. Yeah. So, Dawnfolk has French dev. C'est ma possibilité que j'ai décalé. Ah, okay. So, have a nice break then. Bon appétit. Yeah, bugs for Dawnfolk. So, I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I'm not gonna show you the screen, but I'm on my project management tool, which is just a nut app, and I still have 123 bugs. but they are low priority bugs. I have 0 P0 bugs. P0 is like extremely important, like it's gonna crash, it's gonna soft lock. I have a few P1 bugs, meaning bugs that could like be a problem for the experience, and then it's like P2, P3, so you know, those bugs like we don't really care, like it's maybe a small visual bug or something that happens really rarely. We have the BR localizer for Dawnfolk. Thank you! Game is awesome. Working on Lure's dialogue was an absolute blast. I loved bringing Dawnfolk to Brazilian Portuguese. Thanks. Yeah, thank you for bringing the game to Brazilian Portuguese. I hope we're going to have lots of players who will be able to enjoy the game. Thanks to you. And I'm glad you liked translating the dialogue of Lure. It was my first time writing dialogues and stuff, so I realized might not have been like the best thing you've read, but yeah, I'm glad. Huge congratulations, Darren. Looks like you've achieved everything you set to and way more. Thank you, Computer Games. Oh, okay. Computer Games. Yeah, thanks. Nothing is achieved yet, I would say. Like, yeah. I did achieve to create the game. I'm really proud of it. Yeah, I think it's a good game. I think it's gonna be a good game. Is it gonna do great? Are the players gonna like it? We'll see. Even with QA testers, I found them myself. Hey Gabriel, Boa, we came for the big green button, Darren. Guys, I won't be pressing the big green button. My publisher is gonna do it. And actually, you know, it's apparently we are forbidden to show you the big green button and stuff. People are doing it, but actually you can get banned for it. Apparently, that's what my publisher told me. So, yeah, but you know, we're gonna be there in live. Like the second it's live, I'm gonna know and I can tell you. 123 features. What a game! Yeah, features. Yeah, that's it. What was the thought process which led to the idea for Dawnfolk? What is this question? That's a tough question, dude. It's actually one of my close friends. Yeah, thank you, mate. Guys, if you keep writing so many comments, I won't be able to reply to your questions. I'm gonna keep your question. Congrats on the release, man. Thanks, Ned. Hello, Nuri. So, 123 is almost 0. Don't worry about it. Yeah, Cubus, you're kind of right. Indie Clem, bonne chance pour le lancement. Je te souhaite le meilleur. Good luck for the launch. I wish you best. Thank you, Indie Clem. Alice, I wonder if game ever will be in Ukrainian, but it's probably too much to ask. Maybe. I mean, if a lot of players buy the game and if a lot of Ukrainians add the game to the wish list, we're gonna have like, I mean, it's no-brainer to translate to Ukrainian. You know, would be, but yeah, we need the players interested to do it. We've actually already used all the localization budget to translate in. We have 9 languages, I think. So we don't have any more money for this. It's easily one of the best indie games I've had a chance to play with you. Thank you, Karlek. Dude, I remember you. I remember your video. It was great. So yeah, I had like all the time watching your video, I had that big smile, and I was like, and it was very nice. I really liked like just the quality of the video. I mean, you know, it's not just you playing. You really like, you know, it's a short format. I think it was great. Time to make our own green button to press. Hello Dorian. Hello Doot. Hello Leo. Yo. Did you get the YouTube Twitch category? What do you mean? Do you mean is there like a Dawnfolk category? I think there is, yeah. I think there is. It's a one-man army game, like a solo dev. So yeah, it is. I did make the game on my own, but you know, you're never really alone when you're making the game. I got the help of people to translate the demo. I got the help of a ton of people who gave me feedback, tested the game, found the bugs. I got the help, as we talked sooner, the translators, the testers, the QA testers. Like there's so many people. Yeah, I did make the game alone. Like everything has been crafted by me, but a lot of people have had an impact on the game, even though they didn't directly created something. What is happening? Why is there like 5 subscriptions all of a sudden? Thank you guys. Congrats on release day, Egvetica. Thank you, Egvetica. I watch your whole stream. It was great. Actually, guys, you don't realize, but I think I watched every video and stream of Dawnfolk. I didn't sleep much, but I watched them all in like speed multiplied by 2. And actually, you had an impact on the game too, because I did change a lot of things after watching your streams. So yeah, you're also part of the team in a way. There's one for Twitch, but when you don't have one for your own game, you can just do it yourself on AGDB website. Yeah, I think I did it. Yeah. Oh no, I think someone contacted me to make it at some point and asked me for like screenshots and stuff. Merci, nice answer and great work. Thanks, Spack. Pipa Poopy, what is this emoticon? I can't see it. It's like something. It's a cat, of course. OMG Stilico, I'm glad you liked the video. Hope it helped bring some eyes to the game. I'm sure it did. And honestly, I don't care if it didn't. It was just nice to watch. I just loved watching it. Congratulations from Story Paintings. Thank you, Story Paintings. Another subscriber, Acrobat. Thank you very much. Stilico, please don't talk Russian. Guys, you Russian always like to talk Russian. Where everybody is not. I'm kidding. Some people are talking French, so I guess it's fine. I can read the French, so it's fine, but I can't read what you're saying. Okay, guys. Wow. I read all the comments and the questions. We are only 23 minutes in the stream. I managed to keep up. Looking forward to trying it out. Okay. So, do you guys have any more questions before I start? I'm not gonna kill anyone. I didn't write anything. There's like 3 words on this. Have you prototyped any new ideas prior to the launch? Do you mean like for new games? Or I'm not sure I understand. Did I prototype any new ideas for new games? New games? Yeah, actually, if you want. How is my game called? I actually already created the Steam page because I heard a lot of streamers and stuff say something that was a bit like that I was a good marketer or something, but I don't know what I'm doing. But it seems I look like someone who knows this stuff. But one thing I wanted to do was creating the page for my next game so that everyone... What? We have 70 people on Steam right now watching? Okay, that must be just visits and bots, I guess. Okay. Let me look at the chat. Yeah, nobody... Oh, some people talked, actually. Oh, sorry. I'm not gonna watch the Steam chat. Come on, Twitch and YouTube, please. So I have another game called B-Type. The page is already... the thumbnail is not right. Anyway, but I already created the page, and the goal is to bring some people on this one too already. Like, people are gonna wishlist Dawnfolk, and then they're gonna wishlist my game right away, almost. Not everyone. Obviously, not everyone is gonna do this, but, you know, it brings some people. So yeah, that's another game. Let me put the link in the chat. I don't know if you're on Twitch or YouTube. I'm gonna put it on both. Here you go. Congrats, been watching this on my alt... Oh, I couldn't read. I really did. Oh yeah, on my alternative account this whole time. Hey, that's Jarvis. Thank you for coming. So Jarvis is also a publisher at Alibi Games. And they're gonna publish great games. So you can just type Alibi Games, I guess. I'm so excited about the release. Hey, thank you for coming, Damien. Damien, good friend of mine. A big moral support as I share my struggles with him. Basically every day. Steam. Est-ce que tu as un boulot alimentaire? Do I have a job? Next to game dev? No, I don't. I've been creating this game full-time for 2 years. Full-time. I did take big breaks. When I was looking for a publisher, I was basically not working on the game at all. Like, for 2 months, I was just marketing stuff, you know, learning about publishers, learning about legal stuff. So yeah, about 2 years, but I don't have a job. That's also why I think a publisher was useful. Because they gave me money. So basically, the publisher paid me to complete the game. How many wishlist at launch? I think more than 35k, but the number is not up to date yet. But I'm pretty sure it's going to be 35,000 wishlist at release. B-Type. Yeah, B-Type, reference to R-Type for you retro gamers out there. But yeah, B-Type for builder type. That's a great tactic and really nice to see your passion is still in it. Yeah, I think it's great. I'm receiving a call, surely spam again. Yeah, I think it's a good idea to do this. It's a bit strange. Like, some people were like, wait, your game is not released. You already have a page for your next game, and it has something. Like, I have a trailer and everything. But the real thing is that I made this game a while ago, and I just want to release it later. So that's why I already had something. I put that on my wishlist. Can't wait to see it come together. Oh yeah, B-type. You mean B-type? Yeah. Well, and there's also playtest. I'm gonna do the same thing with playtest and stuff. So there's the playtest button. Don't hesitate to click on it, or join the Discord, and you'll have the news anyway. With the money from Dawnfolk, you need to buy a new monitor for the chat. You don't like my monitor? Isn't this good? Do you know what this is? That's a Samsung S7. That's how you live when you're a real indie developer. You're using a phone that has like 10 years old. I think it's 10 years old. And it's not mine. I had this one, but I broke it, and my brother gave me his old one. That's how you do. That's how you make a game. Congrats, thank you. GG, plus one wishes, thank you. Hey, Mize! Hello, Mize. Oh la vache, I think that's French. Mobile version? No, not planned. Perfect. Time to change your phone. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe the game is gonna be a huge failure, guys, and I'm not gonna make any money. I don't know. We don't know. Don't send too many messages, chat, or the phone will explode. Actually, if you send too many, I would just not see them. But I think it's gonna be fine. I had one of these until last year. Indie dev life is hard, lol. Next step, Darren has somebody carve chat into a rock. The brother has good taste. Okay, Starren is my brother. That's why he's saying that. Okay. I think there was a question, but I missed it. I don't know. Oh yeah, no. So Mize is there. I just want to thank Mize too. I'm gonna thank people as they come. I think that's gonna be better than just thanking everyone at the end or something. But yeah, Mize is basically one of the first content creators that made a video about Dawnfolk back at the time when it was still called Lueur. For people, oh yeah, I'm just saying it. I realize most of you can't say it properly, right? Lueur, that's how you pronounce it. And like basically nobody made a video on the game at the time. I think it was like 5 videos or something. It was one of the first. And he brought so many guys on the Discord, like Tolkakiska, Stirliko, and many others. iEffect maybe, I think. And those guys, they helped. Like, they tested the game like crazy. As I said, Tolkakiska finished the game. Like, he has finished it. He played... He completed the 99 achievements in 40 hours, starting from nothing. He had already played the game before, so he's fast, he's good at it, but the guy is crazy. And yeah, Silico helped with this translation and helped with the bugs, like, and a lot of people like this helped a lot. So yeah, it was huge, and it brought a few wish lists too, so that's nice. What the indie way? Will you think about a phone version? I don't know. The thing is, my game doesn't work with a mouse. And obviously to work on the phone you're gonna need touch control. Like, we'll see. Like, honestly, the thing is I see more and more people asking me. So I'm like, damn, people are playing on mobiles? Because I hate mobile phone and stuff, and tablets. But one thing I'm gonna do, At some point, I'm gonna release a version of the game on itch.io, a special version that is gonna be more expensive, and it's gonna have an APK for Android. If you don't have Android, I'm sorry. And you're gonna be able to play on mobile and stuff, but you're still gonna need a gamepad, a Bluetooth gamepad or something. So, and it's just an experiment. It's like I'm not gonna like promise any like there's gonna be bugs and it's gonna be slow. I'm quite sure. I'm not gonna promise anything. It's like completely off the thing. Like it's like yeah. Teach us how to say it properly. I feel like I still get it wrong. So lure. I think in English it might be close to lure, I think. But yeah, lu. So it's like lu. And then lu. You can say it like this, lu. And then you say it at one time, lure. That's how you say it. And I think what is very confusing is how it's written. L-U-E. Sorry, I'm saying it in French. L-U-E-U. Le U-E-U. I think that's what's confusing everyone. Oublié de te dire, I have a friend who hoped to see the game on the blue and red console. Ha! I hope too. How are you feeling about the release? I'm feeling... I'm gonna explode. I'm gonna explode. No, I'm feeling... Overall, I'm feeling good. The game is... I think the game is stable. We'll see what I say tomorrow when I get 20 bug reports, but I think the game is stable. The game is good. We have decent wish lists. I think it's gonna be alright. So I just missed one message about which is not free at all. Let me see. Maybe you can get a deal with Apple Arcade and get some money to port, because most mobile games are free to play, which is not free at all. Yeah, well, I think I would just let Claire deal with this. I think I'm just gonna let my publisher see if they can. I know they're looking for grants and stuff, like you can definitely get money to port the game, so I think they're gonna handle this. Is it going to Nintendo Switch? I hope. Yeah, straight up avoided trying to say the name in my video because I knew I would screw it up. I'm sorry. Hello. Oh, Games World. Hello. Oh, that's cute, oh Avash. I'm sorry, but maybe one day. Maybe one day. Let me take a look. Did I miss messages on Twitch? Because basically I can only see YouTube or both right now. 20 bug report, man is confident. You know that there's like just 10 minutes before the stream I received like a bug report with one guy saying like one nice guy, because it was helpful, saying like there's massive memory leaks in your game. I'm pretty sure the guy is a programmer or something, because I don't think a lot of people actually check for memory leaks. So it must be someone using Linux or I don't know, someone really knowledgeable about this. And I'm like, yeah, I know. I've known for a few months. I did clear all the memory leaks 3 months ago. I did a big sweep. I cleared them all. But yeah, in 3 months, I just added more and more. OMG, all the music are perfect. Thank you. Thank you. I did all the music in 1 week. There's one music that I made 2 years ago, and it was the only music of the game for like forever. But really, I did it, that music 2 years ago, and it was the music in all the demo, all the playtest, everything. And two weeks ago, yeah, I think 2 weeks ago, something like this, I just took a week. Every morning, I would sit down, take my keyboard, and compose a small pile of music. And I would do one every day, and keep the rhythm like this. And it helps me create, you know, being in this state of mind. I did not create the music like every month or something. I created them all in 1 week. And I'm not throwing everything. Everything you hear, that's basically me almost improvising something after thinking about it. I did not like throw anything. which is bad. You know, usually you throw stuff, but I don't have time to throw stuff. Wow, Miles, you're too much popular for my chat, Miles. Everyone is saying hello to you. And the translation for the interview, guys, you don't realize how much time it takes to do that. Honestly, I wouldn't do it if I was Miles. It's just crazy. I think I would upload it to YouTube, let YouTube do the manual translation, and then copy that manual translation and just put it into the thing. Because honestly, the interview is so long. It's so long. He already did a great work editing it to make it shorter. You guys are lucky. Miles is not making things halfway. Like, he's gonna do it all the way perfectly. Hello, this game is available in Android. No, not yet. Maybe one day. You made the music too? Yeah, I did. I made the music too. I'm not going to repeat. I think you were there. So yeah, made the music. That's why it's very simple and minimalist. But that's also the direction I wanted to take. I'm not a pianist at all. I'm actually more of a guitarist and bassist. But you know, I wasn't seeing bass and guitar on this game. Speaking of music, honestly, I could just launch the game and just listen to it. Well, at some point I'm gonna release the OST on Bandcamp, Spotify and stuff. So you will be able, and you can buy the jukebox in the game if you gain enough points. So in the game there is a jukebox, and you can just play all the music. By the way, I think I never replied to a question about where did the ID came from. Yes, Tidiko, no worries, it's fixed in the final game. It's just that the trailer maker used an old version that still had bugs. So yeah, there's still the science icon on the building. Games World, please, let's keep it in English. Maybe French, because I can read it, but I can't read that. So yeah, CSP1, you asked about the ID. So yeah, the idea of the game came from... Guys, it's already 2:40. I was afraid I would have nothing to talk about. I actually did not talk about anything I wanted to. Just talking with you guys, I'm glad. That's exactly how I wanted things to go. It's one of the reasons I didn't play much the game in the last few weeks. I wanted to still have things to discover, like the new musics. Yeah, you didn't play much. I think you played a ton. You don't realize. You're definitely one of the testers who played the most. Definitely. By the way, I haven't heard any music in your game because I usually record all game footage with no music. It's better for editing. Oh, well, you're gonna have a surprise then if you play the game for real. All the music you hear right now, the music you're hearing on the stream, those are music from the game. I think today is the day for me to play with the music for the first time. You let me know how you like it. I tried something special with the music. You will notice... Actually, each music has a theme, a tile or something. And like the music we hear right now, this is the music for farming, for wheat, for food. So anytime you build something related to food, like cow pastures, sheep pastures, wheat fields, windmills, farms, you're gonna have this music. And there is like an algorithm behind it, very simple, but just trying to make sure you don't have the same music over and over, but basically the music will launch only on your action, only when you're doing something. So that, for example, I could see it works. Like the streamers, when they build the pyramid and there is like this Arabic piano theme sound, they were all like, yeah, it really works. It really works to have this. And you have a lot of silence because I put a lot of work into the ambience, the sound effects of the tiles, and I want you to be able to enjoy them. And I think musics are more efficient if you leave silence sometimes. So yeah, you let me know what you think. Sound effects are incredible, a real pleasure. Thanks for that. Yeah, no worries. I'm translating from French to English in live, so that stuff. Let me just take a look at Slack. Okay, no message yet because we are approaching the thing. Just I don't want to miss it. That would be unfortunate. Okay. Bruce said baby. I mean, yeah, it was a joke. So no, actually I've worked on the game for 2 years, not 1 year. It's been a long time. Because the game has a lot of content and stuff, and well, I'm doing it alone. So probably this game could have been made in 6 months with a 4-man team. But yeah, I'm alone, so 2 years. And I'm slow too. I'm slow. I'm not a really good game developer, so well, I don't think you need to be fast, but I'm definitely slow, and I don't like working long hours either. Well, those past 3 months have been intense, though. Not gonna lie, I think I've worked like basically every day from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. basically, with a lunch break, 30 minutes break. Like, yeah. I didn't plan on this. It's just because I didn't plan ahead very well. Some days I would work only 3 hours, and I basically paid at the end. Basically paid at the end. How long did it take to write all the music? 1 week. What's your 1 week? Like I did one music every week, and it would be like for 2 hours each music, basically. What's your plans post-release to unwind from such a huge effort? From Mark. Actually, I'm not gonna unwind. I think it's unwind. Not gonna unwind yet because oh wait. Okay, Claire just told me she's gonna message us in the chat when the game is ready to release. Thanks. Yeah, it's not over because obviously I'm gonna need right now to be available in case there is an issue, major bugs, anything. So I'm gonna have to track this. I also, as I said, I know there are already bugs in the game. There's still a few of them, and I'm still gonna try to fix them. You know, I have like in our contract with Astra, actually, I have like this final milestone where the goal is basically to complete our contract. I need to make a patch to fix the game. So I'm gonna work on fixes anyway. But yeah, like for the next few days, I'm not gonna relax at all, I think. I think it's gonna be all about watching streamers playing the game, trying to see if there are any issues, anything I should fix, trying to see like just the reviews. And oh wait! Ad break? No. I don't want an ad break. How do I stop this? No! Dismiss? No. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. You might gonna have an ad break. I'm so sorry. I forgot I had this thing activated somewhere. And people are using rewards, but I don't see them. Drink? I don't have anything to drink. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'll do that later. Okay, maybe some of you are running ads. Sorry. So yeah, gonna watch things, and you know when. And basically, then I will work on the update. We would like to do an update at some point, somewhere in the future. Maybe. That's a lot of things that are not confirmed. And yeah, we talked maybe about doing Switch. So, you know, gonna have to look into this too. So, it's not really over. It's not really over. But once it is over, you know, I'm a simple guy. Just being able to have my days to, you know, I just like to build stuff. I like modding retro console stuff. I like running. I like, you know, drawing. I didn't draw. I basically stopped drawing for the past 3 months just because, you know, I was on the game. And when I mean drawing, I don't mean pixel art. I mean drawing like on paper and stuff. I love music. I didn't play guitar or anything for a while, so just being able to have time to do that, again, it's going to be great. And play, because I'm not playing that much. And I just want to play. I discovered you a year ago, for sure. 2 years is a good time for one person. Yeah. Hello, Sawent. Another guy who helped the town with the bugs. I thought it took a week for just one tune. Okay. I took a week, but I'm not a superhuman or anything. It's just, the music is very simple, okay? It is very simple. Just give it to a musician, he's gonna tell you like, yeah, okay. That's actually the first feedback I got from my music from other devs was that, yeah, it's too simple and stuff. But you know, this is how I wanted it to be. This is also what I can do. So yeah, it took me a week because I'm not that good and I'm just going straight to the point. I'm just playing. If you listen to other music, you'll see they all have the same structure and they're all like short 1 minute loop all the time. So does it make you nervous to watch people stream the game? Yeah, kinda. Like, you know, it's always stressful at the start, and you never know how people are gonna react. You know, sometimes they're gonna tell that your game is crap. That this is not great. But honestly, for now, I just love watching people playing the game on stream and stuff. It's just so cool. I just love it because, you know, there are things they don't like, but they're still having a great time. It's just, I mean, I'm making games. I'm making games so to see people having fun with my game. It's the whole point. So I really like watching people playing the game. Lol, ad break, recharge your coupa. It's a good thing that there are no ads in Russia. Oh, okay. Merde, comment on dit en français? Thank you, Fanchik. How's your streaming going? Okay. CSP1 is like a friend from high school. So, and I used to do streaming. I don't anymore. I don't. Oh, you know, sometimes I think about it. I would like to do some more because I don't want to run every day. And I think like having swimming sessions between days could be nice. Anyway, that's like completely off subject. Hi Darren, I localized your game for Dragon Baby and played the build from A to Z. Love it to bits. Oh, thank you. What language did you translate? Congrats on the release. Thank you, Booyah Grandma. You guys have awesome usernames. There's a release coming up now. 10 minutes? I don't know. That's not for me to decide. That's my publisher. I don't have power over that. Claire didn't send us any message, so I mean, it's about 3 p.m. It's about 3 p.m. Let me just get the page somewhere to make sure I can show you the page. You know what? I think I'm gonna show you my screen now. I think you saw the trailer enough, right? No, I'm gonna wait for my publisher first to tell me like, okay, ready to wait. Did I miss the message? It is on. And there's a mistake. Shit. What is that? Okay, guys, gonna share my screen. How do I do that already? Like this? Yeah, you see my screen now. Shoot! It's written by Lueur. I want you guys. You can't buy the game if you can't say this. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Buy the game, even if you can't say Lueur. I'm not sure why this said by Lueur, but it is there. Did I miss the message? Did she tell us in the chat? Did I miss the message? Damn. Okay, she just did it at the same time I checked. See how connected we are? Guys, we are live. It is there. It is there. You can add to the cart. I'm adding my own game. You already on this game? Oh, seriously? I didn't know. 14.79. Oh, interesting. I didn't know that would be the price in euros. Yure, yeah! Oh my god, you're gonna spam the chat again. Lure for the win. Yeah. Claire, if you hear me, not sure why it's written by Lure. We're not buying the character here. I'm not selling my game character, guys. Or maybe that's it. If you add it to the cart, you only get the sprite. There's another offer below somewhere where you will only you can get the game. It's for $50. Congratulations! I'm so happy too. Thank you, Mice. Thank you, Billy Blue. Thank you, everyone. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna miss your message. That's for sure. This is going too fast. Congrats. Yeah, thank you, everyone. I'm not gonna say your name. Thank you. Oh, she already fixed it. Here you go. It's alright. You can now buy Dawnfolk, not Lure. Oh god, Steam backend, guys. I don't know where it was still Lure. I don't know where it was. That's crazy. And you can see that only when it's released. That's kind of fun. Oh my god. Okay, guys. I still need to do the marketing guy, right? I'm kind of moved a little. Like, that's my fucking aim. Okay, so what do I need to tell you? I think I need to tell you stuff. Okay, so if you want to help, yeah, you can buy it, obviously. And if you can like play the game for like 2 hours or something, as I said earlier, like if you play less than 2 hours, the review is like less important. So if you can play for 2 hours and leave a review, right? Where is it? I don't know. I think you're gonna see something here, like you can leave a review or something, or maybe directly on your library you're gonna be able to see this. I'm not sure, but yeah, if you can leave a review as soon as you can, would be awesome. Basically, I can explain to you guys what it is. I'm gonna see the chat. Can't buy it, already have it. Bought it, ready to play it. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I'm just gonna say thank you. I read all the messages. Yeah, as Cubus Dev is saying, the first 10 reviews, I really need to get them very, very fast. I don't remember exactly why. I think it has to do with this. Or maybe no, maybe the curator. I don't remember, but basically, as long as you don't have 10 reviews, you will not appear in some places. Okay, let me put it this way. When you have 10 reviews, you're gonna start to appear more on some places on Steam. So that's why it's really important. Obviously, I'm talking about positive reviews. Please, don't leave me negative reviews. Please. Buy it, folks. You get so many squares. Yeah, guys, you're gonna get a lot of squares for your money. I don't have the exact count, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a good price. Bought it. Thank you, guys. I will leave a review this evening if I can. Thank you, Bleep Bloop. Oh, and thank you, by the way, for joining the Patreon. I noticed you joined the Patreon. Thank you very much. At +10 review, there I go. Don't care about your game. At -10 review. Okay, so basically, yeah. Okay, so basically, if I want Steam to help me, we need 10 reviews. Then it's 50 reviews, as fast as we can. Because if I have 50 reviews, 50 positive reviews, it's gonna be like mostly positive. And Steam is gonna push it a little more. And more importantly, it's gonna tell other players, yeah, that's a good game, you can play the game. Acheter, félicitations, tout le meilleur pour la suite. Thank you very much, Froshig. You can say the game is great when Factorio is in similar games. Ah, and bad at you. I'm laughing because we were talking about this with a friend. Wow, Factorio is 32 euros. I didn't realize. Okay. Wow, this one is okay. Oh no, I'm more expensive than Balatro, but not right now. Right now it's less expensive because we have the 15% sale. That's the best moment to buy it, so definitely buy it. Our cloud saves working. Yes, they are. They are. Yeah, I don't think like I don't know if that means it's a good game. I think it's more like those are good games, so they just appear everywhere. Like because those are are great games. I think that's just it. Yeah. Yeah. Dark Romantic, not surprised to see that Luck be a landlord. Okay. Yeah, it's looks fine. Review has been left. Oh, already? Oh, but I think you received the game for free, so maybe it won't actually appear or something. Yeah, that's also something else. When you give the key, so like for you, Karlek, who is a content creator, when you get the key for free, I don't think the review is worth anything. Like it's gonna help. Wow, okay, we can see that number it boosted. Like we can see it's something is happening. Oh, I guess you guys are on the page. That's maybe why. But yeah, the review from games that were given, I don't think they are worth much. Like it's useful for players because we can read them, but I don't think the algorithm will care. I can't see like review. Maybe it's gonna take a little bit to refresh. You know what? I'm gonna keep the stream on because I feel like because of you guys, maybe I'm gonna have like 10 reviews. Like, yeah, but it's not gonna be player reviews because anyone who reviews right now means they played before and have already 2 hours of playtime. Yeah, actually, some of you might have because if you played the beta and stuff, you might already have a few hours of playtime recorded on a game. That's possible. I did note that I got it for free. Yeah, so I think that's gonna play. But you're right. You're right to do it. Do it. Yeah, we need to play it by the rules, so it's good that you did it. New tagline: Buy Dawnfolk. It's cheaper than Balatro. I don't like using the word cheaper next to my game. It's not showing its best behavior doing this. Yo, let's go, Darren. Yeah. Thank you, Empty Bottle. Let's DDoS Steam page. Honestly, guys, let's DDoS Steam. Just do it. Just tell Steam that game is too much. How do you feel after 2 years? How do I feel right now? I don't know how I feel. I was pretty moved I'm not gonna lie, when I was watching the game a few minutes ago, I was like, oh god, don't cry. Don't cry during your stream. That's lame. That's lame. Don't cry. But yeah, I was pretty moved. Right now, I think I'm starting to get back into work mode. Like you see what I'm doing here? Refreshing the page? I think I'm gonna do it a lot. I think that's gonna happen. How did you find the Steam review process, or was that handled by the publisher? I mostly handled it, but I got help from the publisher, and it was fine. Like the only thing that they disagree with was that I didn't have achievement icons on all the achievements. That was the only issue. Then they had suggestions that are good suggestions and that I'm actually gonna implement for the next update, I think. More affordable. Yeah, more affordable is better. Less expensive, not cheap. It's more affordable than Balatro. Yeah. Yeah. That could work. It's not cheaper, it's more everyone is saying the same thing. My 15 hours of beta testing were great. Yeah, okay, you have enough playtime to do the review. Did you leave your review already, Xtelico? Really seems like it's taking its time to leave the review. By the way, I'm pretty sure a lot of you are gonna leave now that the game is released. Just want to thank you all for coming. It was really great. I'm really happy. I don't know how many people we had. I think we had 100. Oh, okay. Yeah, we still have 100. God, I never had that much numbers on my stream before that. That's why I'm... Okay, so... wait, yeah, just wanted to thank you all for coming. It's really great. Honestly, guys, I was a bit stressed about doing a stream before release, but you made the time pass very quickly. I didn't feel anything. If without the stream, I think I would have like be like this in front of a computer, trying to find bugs to fix or something, just to get busy. So before you leave, I just want to thank you. And if you want to stay, just stay. I don't know how long I will stay. I don't know. I think I will stay until I'm tired of it, or until you don't have any more comments or questions. Check the page in incognito mode. Wait, I don't want to change my settings and stuff during a stream, but I will do. Wait, let me do something. Okay, I'm gonna watch on my second browser. Mine isn't showing, but down the bottom is okay. Thank you. I don't see your pseudonym. There is a long message in the chat. I don't see your username because my screen again. But thank you. I love your message. Thank you. Mr. Elliptic, you'll only see the reviews in the Steam language. No, that might be... Oh... You think? Let me check... But I mean, you did... I think... He let a review... Oh my god, there's 100 people on the Steam page watching me right now, maybe. They must be like, who the fuck is this guy? What is he doing here? Hey, I'm the developer, guys. You guys should buy the game, by the way. Actually, I could just stay there to welcome everyone who is on the Steam page. Hey, buy the game. I don't have the game and the money for it on Steam. Okay. I'm here while I'm working and playing Dawnfolk in the background. I hope you won't get destroyed by a storm. Congratulations, Darren. So happy for you. No, it has been a long road, but you have made a really beautiful game. Thank you, Claire. Jean-François Pruneau. Hello. Hey, yo. Okay. I don't see the review. I'm gonna try, like, if I go in French, maybe. Oh, and yeah, leave your reviews in your language. It's gonna be useful to have reviews in different language for the players to be able to read the review in their language. Because if they are like all English, or Russian or anything, they're not gonna be able to read. Why can't I look at this? Yeah, you're still seeing my trailer. Let me check a few things. I see messages from my publisher, so I'm gonna read them very quickly. Okay, no surprise, some congratulations, I'm gonna reply later. Okay, lots of message on Discord. Okay, I'm gonna read everything later. It's getting late here in Japan, so it bounce. Big congrats again on the release, I'm sure everybody all around the world will love. Thank you! Thank you very much. I'm not sure who you are, like Dragon Baby. I think you are Key Andrew, maybe? I don't remember the exact name, but I think you are. So thank you very much. Thank you very much for your work. Thank you for coming on the stream, even though it's very late in Japan. Thank you. Did you make any game dev school or anything like this? I'm gonna reply afterwards. I'm crossing my fingers for you, Darren. People, remember that buying the game is only the first step. If you like it, leave a positive review. It's the best way to show your support. Thank you, Olivier. Olivier is right. That's the way to go. So yeah, to reply to your question, Spike, I did make a game dev school. I just checked again. I was like, are you guys seeing my private chat right now? No, you're not. Oh, it's Sam. Oh, you okay? I didn't realize you were also in Japan. Thank you, Sam. Did you make indie game dev school? Yeah, I did make a French video game school called the Angemine. I think I'm not receiving your comments. Okay, they're just late. Yeah, 2 years learning game design and game programming, especially game design. I was not really there for the game programming stuff. I was the guy not going to game programming lectures to go do game design. I was that kind of guy. But yeah, I did that, and before that, I did 3 years. How do you say in English? A bachelor? I don't know. But yeah, I studied computer science before that. Posted a review in French. Steam may take time to publish it. Oh yeah, this is possible. All dev rockstar are from Angemine. It is true that a lot of talented people came from the Angemine. Maybe because it's also the only... I mean, there's not a lot of school in France for video games, and Angemine is like the only free one. I know I got there. I wanted to get into that school because it was free. I mean, I really didn't have the money. I didn't want to get into debt or anything. Debt? Yeah, I got a little note on my review saying this review is not counting in the overall review score because this user activated the product via a Steam key. Oh, wait, this is... I didn't know about that. So basically, to make sure your review counts, it needs to be bought on Steam. It cannot be you... Okay, dude, I didn't know. So basically, if you buy the game on another website, which you should not do, because nobody else should be selling the game, okay? But yeah, if you do that, your review won't count. Ah, interesting. Hello, Anna. Really enjoyed Dawnfolk so far. Well done. Thank you. Thank you, guys. It's the only free one and the best one. Maybe it's meaning something. Ah, yeah. Maybe it's meaning something. Yeah. Maybe. I don't know. I had a great time there, but I'm not gonna lie. I didn't work... I did enjoy this student life a lot. I did enjoy Overwatch a lot. Let me take a look at the review again just to see if we have something. No, not yet. Yeah, I guess Steam is not gonna let reviews come in right away. I guess it's gonna be refreshed maybe every day, maybe every hour. I don't know. Let me take a look very quickly at the chat on Steam. Yeah, okay, nobody's writing on Steam. Good. That's the way to go. Do you have any plans on adding content to the game post-release? Yeah, I would like to, but I don't like to promise things. I prefer it to be a surprise, but I would like to. Yeah, I did say several times during previous streams and stuff. Ideally, I would like to add modding capabilities to the game. And a creative mode, just like in Minecraft, where you basically... Currently in the game, you have the sandbox mode, which is a big procedural map, and you can create your city without any danger, anything. But, you know, it's still a normal game of Dawnfolk. You just don't have the storms. I'm thinking about a creative mode where you can actually, you know, create the map, like create the terrains and stuff. And then share it with your friends, and then they can play your map. Could be fun. And adding modding capabilities for people who knows their stuff about programming and stuff. Actually, I think... Oh, let me snooze the ad. Here you go. Sorry for YouTube. I can't snooze on YouTube. Yeah, anyway, modding. But yeah, I'm planning on that. And you know, it's always gonna depend of the success of the game. Like, if the game is making a huge success, I'm definitely gonna add more stuff, you know. I'm gonna add maybe new maps, new buildings, because there are a lot of things that a lot of ideas that were just not added into the game because it was like, no, it's not gonna fit. We don't do this. So there's still a lot of things I could add into the game. And if the game is very successful, it's definitely worth doing working more on it. But you know, if it's just successful enough, at some point I think it's important. I know a lot of people like to have games that always update the content again and again, but I'm more of the side of when a game is done, it's done. You know, it's like, this is the game, and you buy it once for the package. You have everything that was promised, and yeah, that's all. I don't really like this thing of waiting for updates all the time for games or expecting updates. I'm still gonna do one, but it's simply because, you know, creative mode and modding, it's not for everyone. Like, a huge portion of players won't care about it, and it's more because I want to add modding. Honestly, it's more for that reason. Yeah, it's probably on a timer. Anyway, it's 1 AM here, so I'm going to head off. Best of luck, and I hope the game sells super well. Thank you, Karlek. Thank you very much. Congratulations on the milestone. May you have great success, Mr. Walt. Thank you. Okay. So you guys don't have any more questions, so maybe it's time I was gonna say go relax, but I know I'm just gonna go on the page and refresh all the time. You know what? Since there are a lot of people on the Steam page, maybe I will just talk a little bit about the story of the game. I don't know. I don't know if that's interesting to any of you. Maybe you all already know about it. But maybe I can talk about this a little. Before that, I'm gonna thank a few people. I want to thank a few people. I did take a note of a few people I really didn't want to forget. So, you know, obviously I'm gonna do the classic. Thanks my girlfriend, thanks my family, thanks, you know, for the usual, like, moral support and stuff. That's the usual thing. I don't want to do that. I'm not good at this. Don't want to do that. However, I want to thank a ton. So Paul, who I don't think he's here because he's working, but who's a game designer from the same school as mine, and who helped a ton on the game, like a ton. He did test it a ton, but not only that, he did like help me with the game design and stuff. Oh shit, he's here! Hello, Paul. Well, here you go. So, yeah, Paul really helped, like, talking about stuff. Game design helped me, like, you know, sometimes we would just go on a call for 1 hour and talk about my game. That's just great, because when you're working alone like me, you don't see anybody. When you have someone like this that you know you can call and talk about game design. Also, I know, like, Paul and I, we have like this sort of synergy or something. Like we think alike, so like we work well together. So it's just cool. Like, it's always just a pleasure, and it helps. Like, well, you're here. You definitely have a part in this game. So, you know, if it is successful, you should feel proud too. Like, you helped a ton. The other person is my brother, Starren Ryan, simply because he played the game a ton. He played the game a ton, and he listened to me complain a ton, and he's also having fun with me. Actually, when I play video games, I actually make a call with my brother, and we just talk as I play. So yeah, huge support. In very different ways, actually. Testing the game and having fun. And he complains a lot. Yeah, but that's because I'm French. So, yeah. Ryan and Tolka Kiska. I think I already thanked Tolka Kiska sooner. Tolka, like, I don't know this guy. I don't know him. I don't know if it's a him, a her. I don't know Tolka. Very... not shy, but very like discreet. He has found, I'm pretty sure, like, as I said, he beat the game in 40 hours and beat the 99 achievements before release. So that's already something, right? But I'm pretty sure he found at least 99 bugs, if not more. And he's not only finding bugs, he's helping me fixing them. Like, he's trying things to really find the steps to reproduce the bug. Like, he's basically a dev tester. The guy is a dev tester. But the thing is, you don't have to ask anything. He's just doing it because he likes it, I think. I don't know. Actually, we never really talked. And whenever I'm like, do you want something special in the credits? Do you want an Easter egg? He's like, it doesn't reply. The guy just wants nothing. That's just awesome. So yeah, I don't know, maybe he's not here anymore, but just thank you. Like, you can also be proud that you had a huge impact on the game. The bugs you found, I wouldn't have found them without you. Truly, because I wouldn't have tried those things you tried. Like, and you know, people were paid to test the game for 2 weeks. And obviously in 2 weeks they didn't have time to find all the bugs. And you still managed to find really important bugs. Before that and after that, you know, the team, the QA team actually didn't have a lot of bugs. I think when they worked on the game, at the end, they found grand total, they found like less than 50 bugs. And that means a lot. That means, you know, they didn't have time to find more, maybe, but that also means like the game was already really stable, and that's definitely thanks to you guys and especially Tolka. Hey, Death Frog! Thank you so much! Francois is here too. Thank you! Thank you, Francois. Francois, one of my the first supporter, I think. I think you are the first guy who supported me on Coffee at the time. I think that's it. Yeah. I think you're the first. So thank you very much. Francois is also a friend of mine from the engine, actually. Yeah, thank you, mate. Thank you, Pinatra. And Kalek Popdak. Oh, you're saying it's going up? Oh, one user review. Let's read it, guys. Yeah, okay, yeah, it's written pre-release review. Okay, I'm gonna read it out loud. Maybe I can... Oh, let me check Slack. More message. Okay, more congratulations. I'm so sorry. Okay. I'm just checking that my publisher is not needing me or something. This is the time I need to be available. Let me... Okay, I can share you my screen a little bit so you can see with me. So, Dawnfolk is without a doubt one of the best and most addictive games I have ever had the pleasure of playing. There is a ton of content for you to play, from the story to the puzzle modes, with my personal favorite being the endless mode, even though I was pretty quick every time. There is a lot more strategy, the city building elements than you might expect. Alright, maybe a small typo here. And even if it can seem somewhat mechanically simple, it does a great job of making the most of all of them. Ultimately meaning the game gives back as much as you put into it, whether it be the mini games or extra mode. You will have plenty of way to help break up the core loop, keeping you engaged the entire time. Oh, I can say it's funny? Oh no, I prefer to say it's useful. I'm not sure my vote counts though. Nice! You know what? You're the first review and I like it. You played 10 hours? Dude! Okay, yeah, you played a ton. Hey, yes, I'm French. Thank you, Kinjatsu. I hope you're gonna love the game. Time for review my review. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Well, thank you. Thank you. Endless mode. That's crazy. Do you want to know the story behind the endless mode? Let me put back the trailer. It's gonna be better for people. Okay. It's gonna be better for people coming from Steam. I should have put somewhere currently on Twitch or something so that people on Steam get it and can join us. I can't believe there's still 80 people on the stream. What are you doing, guys? Thank you for being here. Like, I so appreciate it. I don't really want to be alone right now, so, you know, it's just cool to have you. Okay, don't need anything. Perfect. If I didn't have a heat wave, I would have played another 10. Planning on playing, streaming in this weekend. Awesome. I'm gonna try to watch if you stream stuff, because I didn't watch people finish the game yet. You know, I've seen a lot of people playing the 5 first level, or a few, like the first expansion and stuff. I didn't see people play the last level and stuff, so it would be interesting. Well, the only person I watched did all the levels is actually my brother Ryan and Paul. So, yeah. So about the endless mode, one funny thing is, I really did not want to add one. I mostly added it because of community, like you guys on Discord and stuff, because you kept asking for it. I didn't want to add it because I've always seen my game as a handcrafted thing, as a small thing, short thing. Like each level is a ton of fun because it has been uncrafted. Like you might feel like, you know, you're gonna feel like, oh yeah, that's cool. Oh yeah, I'm so lucky that this is happening. A lot of things are scripted and a lot of things are done to make you feel that way. The thing with the endless modes, it's completely procedural. I can't control what's happening, so it's a bit harder for me to make. What's the word? Emergent games like this are really hard to make, since you don't know what can happen. Like everything can interact and stuff. So I can tell you, the first time I saw someone die because a volcano spawned next to their home and it erupted, I was like, oh, I didn't think about that. And the other thing I didn't like about the endless mode is that it's very long. My brother played it, and the game lasted for like 3 hours. And I was like, oh. And you could see at the end, the game is like strange. The game is strange at the end because it's not made to be played for so long. The game is made to build a new city again and again. It's like you're playing the first 50 turns of Civilization again and again. So yeah, that's the story behind the endless mode. So now we have an endless mode with 8 biomes, I think. And I think it's fine. I think it's a good... if I were a new place, guys, I would play this last. That's why I put it all the way back. I would play this last because I think it's a good way to end the game. I mean, if you're planning on beating the endless mode, because guess what? The endless mode is actually not endless. It's actually, there is an end. At 999 days, it's the end and you get the achievement. So if you really want to complete it, you're gonna have to do this. And yeah, as I said, it was like 3 hours for my brother. Pretty sure you can do it faster. But yeah. Did Lupiro inspire you? And yeah, Adrien, it's thanks to the to the contest that you got, that you became a champion of light. Because on my Discord, I tried. I think I'm gonna do more, but I try to host contests, and the winner would become a champion of light on the Discord, like this shiny role. Lupiro, did Lupiro inspire you? Not at all. Actually, I played Lupiro because so many people told me that Dawnfolk looked like Lupiro. I didn't play a lot. I think I played for 1 hour. But no inspiration at all from Lupiro. And maybe I should have played the game before. Merci Turiken. I'm not sure how to say this. Hey there. Hello Symbol. Thank you. Félicitations. Congratulations. Red Cabin Games. I heard there was a game release happening. You heard right. It happened. It happened actually. Let me check. Do we have more reviews? No, not yet. I mean, I'm not expecting people to leave a review just after buying it, obviously. So I'm gonna have to wait. Go to raid and run, but I be lurking. Happy launch day. Oh, thank you, Turiken. Okay. Oh yeah, you raided. Sorry, I missed. I'm a bad streamer. Hey guys, if you're still there, hello. I actually released the game yet already. The trailer is in the back, and I'm currently like, I don't know what I'm doing. I should be gone, but since there's so many people on the stream again, I'm just chilling here and trying to see the reviews and replying to questions and talking about the game. Hopefully some people on Steam are maybe watching this and seeing this. Maybe I can talk about this too. Yeah, if you guys have do you see my screen? Oh no, you don't see my screen. Let me put my screen. If you guys have a Steam Deck, definitely play the game on your Steam Deck. I mean, you know, switch between your computer and Steam Deck, but try it at least once on the Steam Deck, because that's really like when I designed the game, I was really thinking about, no, it's for handheld console, it's for the Switch, it's for the Steam Deck, it's for the gamepad. That's why it doesn't have mouse support. It plays very well on a computer, like there's no issue. It's just the way I thought about designing it was for those consoles, so that's why everything is a bit big compared to your usual game. It's a bit bigger. But yeah, there's an article here with a video where I explain why it's great. I'm not gonna do it again, but you can check it out. Here you go. And there is Gero. So proud of you, man. Thank you. Man, it means a lot. It means a lot to me. So yeah, Gero is another game dev from the Engine again. Guys. But I guess that's normal to be friends with a lot of Engine guys. Yeah, Gero was one of. I mean, this guy, Doc Gero, the guy who's talking in the chat, I was watching his video before going to my video game school. Like I was watching his video to learn about game design and learn about the school and stuff. I prepared to the exam watching his videos. And I keep watching his videos. And now we're friends, and we have a group on Discord with Dorian, with Dudut, and Jeremy, another friend of ours. And like they are huge support. We talk, you know, dev talk. We talk. Kind of Engine Mafia, yeah. Well, I mean, no. Actually, no. But we were all working at Ubisoft at some point, though. So yeah, Jero being proud of me. Honestly, guys, I'm kind of proud of Jero being proud of me. Yeah, definitely. Like he's been a huge help. Not for this game especially, but just for me becoming a game developer. Like, I don't think yeah. Maybe I wouldn't have left Ubisoft if it wasn't for the inspiration I got from Jero. So, you know, kind of a huge deal, actually. The very first time I tried Dawnfolk was on my Steam Deck, and it felt really great to play there. Thank you, Ekvetika. I'm glad. Oh yeah, remember you said that on your stream, yeah. I remember you said that. Yeah, I really hope people are gonna enjoy this, like on their couch, in their bed, maybe I don't know, in the transport, on the tramway. I mean, I think the game is great for this. It's short. It's not easy, guys, by the way. That's one of my concerns, actually. Because I know a lot of people who like relaxing games, awesome games. They're gonna want to play this. And they're gonna like it. I'm pretty sure they're gonna like it. But I'm just hoping they're not gonna try the hardest stuff first. Because they're gonna flee. They're gonna leave. Because the game, believe me, guys, I like hard games, so my game is easy to learn. But believe me, to beat it all the way, you're gonna have to be brave. Can't wait to play and finish this beast. Thank you, Jero. And I need to play your playtest. I think I'm gonna do this. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do this today, but I'm definitely gonna play it. I think I need to chill and play some stuff. Okay, I just bought it. Thank you, Shmata Bastanold. I'm so bad with his name. Thank you very much. I hope you're gonna like it. Please, when you've played for 2 hours, can you please leave a positive review? Please, it helps a lot with visibility. Thank you, man. Hearing that means a lot to me too. Oh. The luck. Well, I mean, it's not luck. I did try to get in touch with you, I guess. So it paid off in the end, but yeah. Sure, we watch a review. Perfect. Thank you, mate. I mean, so basically, for now, the game only has one review. So that means the Steam algorithm doesn't care about the game yet. That's the idea, right? That's what I've been told. That's interesting. That's interesting. It's interesting that there is this rule, because I mean, when the game is launched, you kind of need the boost, right? It's fine. I guess it did send. So we had 35k wishlist, so it did send 35,000 mails. Maybe not yet. Wow, okay, we are at 35. So some people asked me sooner. So Steam just refreshed the wishlist number. I don't have it for today, but I have it for yesterday. So we are at 35,900 wishlist, basically. The game got 1,700 wishlist yesterday. Insane. Insane. Just bought the game. We'll try to stream it today. Oh, thank you, Omega. I'm so glad. Please, if you play the game for more than 2 hours, don't hesitate to leave a review. You can still change it later, but just having reviews as soon as possible really helps the game. Is to prevent scam games that release every day. Yeah, I guess it is. But it still costs $100 to release a game. But yeah, I kind of get it. It basically means Steam won't promote your game at first. You really need yourself to bring people to your page. That's basically it. Actually, I'm gonna have to stop the stream at some point because I need to do those tweets and those posts. And by the way, guys, if you follow me on Twitter, X, Blue Sky, all the socials, and you see a post or a tweet about the game, feel free to share it. I'm gonna make one, and I'm gonna make a thread and share. You guys want to know what I'm just seeing right now? A bug report. Is this for real? It's actually Astra. Windmill appears at Whitfield. Oh shit. Seriously. So there's a building that has the wrong name, guys. Okay, guys. What do you see currently? You're there? I can keep the stream going. I'm just gonna watch what is happening. Because I did see people with that bug, and when I tried to replicate it, I couldn't replicate it. Gotta be the first person to stream in your category, right? Cool, thank you. 35k is pretty crazy. I created the page 2 years ago. Happy launch day, thank you, Dysphobia. Oh yeah, it's okay. It's just the tutorial asks you to build a farm. So if the farm is called a windmill, it's gonna be a problem. Let me take a look at the bug. Windmills appears as Whitfield. This is strange. I mean, I can literally fix that in a second. So, it's like 0 risk. I keep receiving. Got you. There is no bug. Aha. Aha! Guys, don't do this! Got you, there is no... Okay, of course someone had to send me a fake bug report. So I'm currently in the game right now, in the game code, just trying to understand. Because I don't understand how. I'm not sure I understand the way. You know what? I'm gonna do that afterwards. So how many people are still on the stream? Because I'm gonna stop at some point. We're still 100. The thing is, the more I keep you there, this is gonna sound pragmatic. The more I keep you there, the more people are coming to my page. So I don't really want to stop. At the same time, I was supposed to stop 40 minutes ago. Yeah, no worries though. I'm not gonna stress about it. It's fine. It's just this one. It's kind of annoying because it's in the tutorial, and I'm not sure why it does that. Like the word windmill is literally not in my game. So it's kind of an issue, or maybe I misunderstood the bug. Whitfield. Okay, I'm seeing it. It is strange. In my text documentation, it is written Whitfield for the form, but when I launch the game, it is written properly. Huh. No, it's normal actually. It's normal. Let me see. Windmill. I'm like debugging the game during the and you guys can't see, so it must be pretty boring. Geez, I would reach through the screen and shock somebody who would submit fake bug report. Oh yeah. Yeah. I mean, it's funny. Le jeu est trop bien. Thanks! The game is very good, sorry. Gonna translate. Gotta get back to work, so congratulations on releasing your game and hope all wishlist convert to sale. Yeah, I hope too. Thank you very much. I think I'm gonna leave you guys here. Unless you have more questions. If there is anything you want to know about those 2 past years, about the game, about the indie dev life, like, unless there's something like this you'd like to talk about, I think I'm gonna stop there and fix this bug, and also share my stuff on Twitter. I think. I don't know why this is so exciting to me, even though I only found about your game a couple days ago. I mean, I don't know. I guess you just like the game, and maybe... Yeah, the text is alright. It's gonna be a tough bug to find. I really don't get why. I actually never... I don't have it in my game. Yeah, I think, you know, it's easy to... That's also one of the strategy behind our marketing, is to make sure people know this game has been made by a human. So you can, you know, like the human behind the game. It's not a team of people. It's not a company, a cold company making games. I mean, they're not cold, but you know, it's not a company or anything. It's a one person. So it is definitely easier to create a connection with one person. It's been already almost 2 hours. Didn't see the time pass. That means the game is really fun. Oh, you're playing the game right now? You played for 2 hours? Please leave a review. Leave a review! With the good French accent. Yeah, go on socials. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop there. I don't want to bother you. It's not because you're there that I'm gonna keeping you there just for nothing. Livreur review! Leave a review. Please leave a review. I would like a review if you can after you played for 2 hours. One more thing, do post-mortem video, I would definitely want to watch it. Yeah. I'll try to make one. It takes so much time. I basically stopped the devlogs and everything just because it was taking so long. Like, at some point, I realized I was like, I'm a game developer and I want to focus on my game, not on creating videos on YouTube. It's hard because it was fun to make them, but it was taking so much time away from actually making the game. And yeah, I admire people like Gero that was here earlier, who he manages to make videos. Like, he's been doing this for a while, so he's very good at it, and he's doing them very fast. Like, it would be nice to reach that level of skill. Next game title. Je vais livrer la review dans 15 minutes. Ah, thank you. Livre bien la review. S'il te plaît. Okay. Okay, guys, so thank you again. I really don't know why there are still so many people on this stream. I just feel... To tell you the story, like... So yeah, I did try to stream the development of the game for a few months. And it was really hard for me. It's really hard for me to work in front of people. When I work, I'm usually in complete silence. I don't listen to music very often when I work. So, yeah, having to talk to people with the chat and stuff was hard. And at the time, I only had like, on the best days, maybe 20 viewers. So when I look at the thing here and I see, okay, we have 100 viewers between Twitch and YouTube, I'm like, this is kind of a waste. As I said, the more I keep you here, the more people are gonna click and see my game. That's awful to say. So in a way, I kind of want to entertain you a little more. But in another way, it's almost 4 PM for me. So I'm really gonna have to post my stuff and try to fix any strange bugs. Yeah, let's leave it at that. So thanks again for being here for the stream. The stream that was supposed to last 1 hour and actually last for 2 hours. Thank you very much. Please, as I said earlier, if you can buy the game and leave a review as fast as you can, I mean, play 2 hours at least, and then leave a review. It's gonna help the game a ton. We need to get to that 10 review very fast, and then to the 50 very fast too. So, yeah, thank you for being here. It was nice. It was nice to share that moment with you, and I'm glad it's recorded somewhere. I will be watching this in 10 years and be like, wow, that was the release of my first game. And I'm glad you guys were here. Oh shit! There isn't that break. Crazy. Okay. Thanks everyone, and I guess I see you in Dawnfolk, because Dawnfolk is kind of a part of me, and you know, when you play Dawnfolk, you're gonna play with me in some way. Allez, au revoir les gars, à plus, amusez-vous bien, bye.